In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Uber blocked account. So the first thing you need to do is you need to find out why your account was blocked in the first place. So please check your email. Uber usually sends a message explaining why the account was deactivated, or you guys can open up the Uber app. Sometimes it shows a message like your account is temporarily suspended or your account has been permanently disabled. So please go ahead and look out for that first of all. So here are some of the common reasons that your account could be blocked. Number one is due to payment issues. So be sure to always update or add a valid payment method. So if you recently just changed your debit card, for example, then you're going to want to change that and clear any outstanding balances or anything like that. The next thing we need to talk about is document/ID verification problems. Now, this is particularly for drivers or delivery partners, so make sure your driver's license, insurance, or profile photo is valid and clear, and re-upload any documents in the Uber driver application. Again, this is for Uber driver users. Another thing could be due to violation of Uber's community guidelines. Now, for riders, that could be due to inappropriate behavior, multiple serious complaints, or fraudulent trips. And for drivers, it could be due to low ratings, safety violations, or breaking the policy. In this case, you'll need to contact Uber support and appeal the decision. So guys, what you could do is you could open up any web browser and look up Uber customer service just like so. Then go to the official Uber driver support right over here. And then it is going to allow you to actually talk to Uber customer support right over here. You can go ahead and talk to them and explain to them your issue, and they should be able to go ahead and do their best to help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.